Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
It's not too bad. You can get like 150, 160. My name's Chad. Chad's Loud on YouTube. I have two Phi HC18s on a Down for Sound JP63. Just three-way set in the front, horns and tweeters in the back on a JP234, and an audio control LC 4.800. It's a 320 amp Singer alternator, 90 amp hours of excess power wrapped yin long, and yeah, she slaps.
Nice. Oh yeah, nice. Did you build this?
Yeah, so I did a turn pro. So 27 hertz, 17 cubic feet for the box,
wow.
3 cubic feet in the port, 243 square inches of port area.
Okay, perfect. You know,
very scientific.
Yep.
Just flat wall, traditional, easy. It's all braced.
Yep. Nice.
You want one more?
Sure, yeah, man.
How's the temperature?
They're a little warm. I would let it cool.
I won't clip this one.
Okay, yeah.
Play one?
Yeah.
What we got?
Break them off.
Did you do any SPL tests on a burp on it?
I did 153 on my own meter.
Okay.
So I'm gonna see today what I get.
Okay. I like that you gave it a little bit of headroom for
Yeah.
for your seats, a little bit more room.
We drove down from Massachusetts.
Really? Okay.
So.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture real quick if that's okay.
Yeah, of course.
Yep. Nice. Really big box too.
Yeah, let me see that temperature gun right there real quick. So it's not too bad. You can get like 150, 160.
Okay.
It's not too bad. They can stake that for a pretty good amount of time.
I've seen 360 before, but that was on the coil.
Hoping I don't see that.
No, never.
Just built it.
Really? Okay.
Yesterday before the show.
Wow. Nice. I was just coming to check it out. That's all right. Yeah. Looks good. Can I come in?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
doors jiggle at it's DJ.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in. Yeah, coming in. They got the iron while I got the steamer. Yeah, coming in. They got the iron while I got the steamer.
Oh yeah, wow. Push them. Wow, I appreciate it, man.
Thank you very much.
Doing good, yeah. I appreciate the demo, man.
Thanks
Yeah,
so
you're
much.
giving
Have a great day.
You too. You're giving them some power. I like that you gave it a little bit of headroom for
Yeah.
like for your seats, a little bit more
Well,
room.
we drove down from Massachusetts.
Really? Okay.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture real quick if that's okay.
yeah, of course.
Yep.